also becomes the scene of a cordial meeting with fellow countrymen from distant Africa. At the Air Training School of the German Lufthansa, the President is informed of the progress made in the training of future pilots from his country.
Roger, VLAN 142 is clear. Time now 4-5. Over.
Intensive study was required before the trainees became familiar with the laws of aerodynamics and navigation, and before they were able to complete without fault the severe exercises in the Link training plane. Then, with their German trainers at their side, they were able to demonstrate to the eminent African visitors take-off and perfect low-flying exercises. At Bremen Airport, these future pilots of Somalia bid farewell to their president, happy in the knowledge that they have passed their test. Then the head of state of the Somali Republic boards a special plane for the flight to Berlin, the old